Okay, what's up, K Block, and welcome to the block if you're new to my channel. So today I have Demi here, and we've been wanting to try this Mochi ice cream so bad. So we're gonna do kind of like a mukbang slash ASMR video, whatever it turns out to be. So
they're so little and squishy.
Yeah, show them.
Like that's orange, but you can't
let me
really
see if I can make it a little bit less light. But that's good.
It's orange, but you can't see it.
I know.
It's really squishy and really little. It's like.
So I'm gonna try my vanilla one first.
This is lemon, I think.
Yeah. All right.
It's like squishy. It has ice cream in it.
Mine is vanilla. It tastes so good.
Ew. ASMR?
I know.
I like it.
It's really good. It's cold.
I was so worried that it was
gonna melt.
I was like, okay, we gotta hurry up. I want some more of these. I'm going to Target and I'm getting the box.
Yeah.
To keep in my house because, yeah.
This is good.
It's like doughy.
That's what I like. I like it like that. It's like
it's squishy.
It's kind of. It still tastes good. In the ASMR videos, there. It's so good.
Hi guys, we're back with another video here today, and we're gonna be doing some eating sounds. So.
Now we have. That's really good. I thought it was gonna be nasty because of the stretchy stuff.
We got pistachio, that's the green boy, and we got a strawberry.
Which one do you want to eat first?
The pink strawberry.
Let's do strawberry.
Yeah.
Show you guys up close. A bit of focus for you guys.
Pink.
It's pink and it has like this. Let me try to get it focused.
I mean, F all the BS.
That's how it looks, y'all.
That reminds me of a milkshake.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Mochi.
Oh my gosh, this is really good. Yo, I don't even want to eat regular ice cream no more.
It's really good and squishy and just, I wonder how they make this. Isn't this like Japanese ice cream?
I don't know.
I think it is. I think it is. They have them at sushi bars.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
I'm a little worried about the pistachio because
I'm worried about it too, honestly. I thought it was gonna be a green tea one. We got these from Whole Foods, and on the ASMR videos, the other ones I've been watching, they've had green tea, or the green ones.
The Whole Foods, that one had the small section. The one downtown has a really big.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I'm like, okay. And they did have a green tea one at downtown. That one would have been good.
That's what I wanted to try, but
we went to we went to a Whole Foods that had the really small like section of mochi.
Y'all, look at this. You would not think ice cream was in there.
Sticky. And I don't know how they get it to stay in there. And how they didn't, like how it didn't melt on the way here. We were like literally like 25 minutes away.
Which was our last one. I actually have 3 more downstairs, but I only wanted to do this for the video, so this is a really quick video, guys.
It tastes like nuts.
It does taste like
It tastes like nuts. It has nuts in it. Look.
Oh my gosh.
Great. Well, the pistachio one has actual pistachios in it.
It doesn't taste that bad though. It's not like, oh, I wouldn't eat it. I just wouldn't choose to get this flavor.
Nutty. Yeah. Got this nutty thing going on.
Why does my camera take forever to focus?
We can do ASMR too. Where do you do it? Okay. It's not my favorite one, but I mean I can tolerate it.
Yeah.
It's still a mochi. We can put the cherries in the freezer.
I'm gonna let Myron taste it to see what he thinks. Oh yeah, because I got the, like, I have 3 more downstairs because they were like buy 5 get 1 free, and they were $2 each, so $10 for 6. And so I got mango, I have another vanilla, and then I have a lemon downstairs.
Lemon is good. Yeah, that's the one I had. Look at this. That's all the ice cream in there. Mochi.
I think this one is about a 5.
More trying to be fair.
Yeah. More like a 4.
We have to use the microphone.
Oh yeah.
They'd be like, we're doing mic tapping today. They'd be like, hello.
Y'all, we're just gonna finish this, but I didn't really like this one that much.
Yeah.
I should have got the mango one.
Yeah. Should have let Myron try the pistachio.
Yeah, he would have been like, especially if this was the first one that he tried.
Like, what is this weird shit? Is it squishy?
Yes. Guys, so that was our first time trying this. I think next time I'm gonna get, my favorite was the strawberry.
Yeah, that one tastes like a milkshake.
Yeah, my favorite was the strawberry. So we got these from Whole Foods, so you probably can find them at your local Whole Foods. I know that Target has them, and
they're like in like the box.
Yeah, Target has them in like a box, but they're smaller. And
I'm telling you, the ones at the Whole Foods downtown were like big, like croissants.
Really?
Yeah, like I damn near would not have been able to finish it. I damn near would just want one. When I saw them, I was like, oh my god, these are the things that Kia was telling me about.
Yeah, I told her, like, I really want that ice cream. I want to try it. So, well, we did it. My favorite was the strawberry. I gave the strawberry a 10 out of 10. The vanilla was, it just tastes like vanilla ice cream.
Real?
Yeah.
I should have got that one.
Yeah, the vanilla was good.
The lemon was good. It tastes like lemons.
The pistachio, not really. Don't really like that one. I probably would like green tea better.
Yeah. Green tea is really sweet, so.
Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. If you guys like this video, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Please subscribe and share this video with somebody new. I got some new heat coming this week, y'all, so stay tuned. If you guys want to see another video with Demi here, make sure that you guys comment below and tell me what video you guys want us to do together. And that is all, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.